Good evening. I'm doing a bit of meditative seed sowing in the dark at night. My husband's watching Arsenal, so I'm sowing seeds. And I find it really therapeutic anyway at any time of day, but actually in the evening it's really nice. And I tend to prepare my compost trays in advance before it gets dark, and then I just do it on the kitchen table. So I'm sowing some Nicotiana, 3 different types, and they're lovely Nicotiana. They're tobacco plants. They smell divine. They're all half hardy annuals, so they flower a bit later, sort of July time, and in the evening particularly the scent is really amazing. If you plant them around a kind of outside area where you might sit in the evening, it is just heaven. There's one that I'm planting which is called Only the Lonely, which is massive, and it's sort of got these drooping white tubes, really amazing. And that smells gorgeous. You can cut it, but I tend to have it in the border. And then I've got 2 other types. One's called Tinkerbell, which is a sort of crimson colour. It's quite tall, and I'm planning on putting it in pots, just sort of towering above stuff. And the other one is it's a white one. What's it called? Starlight Dancer. But they all are really worthwhile sowing, and they just fill gaps, and they're really good in pots. They're quite tall, so if you like, I love tall stuff, so if you like tall sort of billowing flowers, these are for you. So I filled my tray. It's my usual module, and I'm going to dive in with Tinkerbell. And it's really the same old thing. They are tiny seeds, absolutely tiny. And the problem at this time of night is that I can't see, so I think I'm gonna have to put my glasses on, which is hilarious. But otherwise I really can't see the seed, and I want to be able to see it plopping into the audience. So just put them in my hand. There aren't actually that many. I got these from Chiltern Seeds. You see how tiny, look how small those are. So literally you just want to pick up one almost in your nail and just drop it in. And go along like that, just dropping one in each module. Just saves time later on. You could easily sow these in a 9cm pot and then prick them out, which lots of people would do. But I just think from the point of view of saving time, pricking out, it's quite nice if you can get, 1 or 2 growing in each module and then prick them out. It's just, you're sowing very thinly. So I think I've done half the tray. And then I'm just going to cover it with a bit of vermiculite. And I've already watered the compost, so it is actually damp. So I might water them a bit from underneath because they're so small. If you water from on top, they'll just get flooded. And then label them, of course, and that is it. Simple as that. So I'm gonna do the others as well. What was this one called? Tinkerbell. So you can tell it's the end of the day, can't you? I've got my gin as well, which is helpful. God, it's good, this. It's that Malfi, that pink grapefruit one. Oh my God, so good. So kids are in bed and I'm seed sowing. And that's that. I'm going to put a lid on it actually. I will put a lid on it, and I'm not going to put it in the greenhouse because the next couple of days are going to be really cold. that's a warning, actually, weather warning. If you've got anything in the greenhouse or in the shed that you think is remotely tender or really small, it's an idea to either put lids on them or cover them with just a really light fleece, so that it doesn't damage them, because it's going to go down to -2 again, I think. I mean, it's crazy. Anyway, I just hope all the buds that have come out on the magnolias and stuff like that, it just really upsets me. They're all going to be brown. Anyway, that's it from me today. I got most of my list done, not all of it, but most of it done. And I hope you had a great day, and happy Easter Day tomorrow. I'm going to see my mum and dad, which I'm so looking forward to. Anyway, lots of love. Speak to you later. Bye.